Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. What are you doing to Amish here?
I'm convenient.
Huh?
I'm going to turn it the way towards. I'm convenient.
You want to turn Amish into some
Blood clad.
fruit?
No.
Fruitaloo?
It's easier that it's like that. You know?
Amish! Yeah, family. So today is a Monday here in Kenya, and you know, every Monday we have to go to the store. We actually, going to the, just to the market, not to the market. We're going to Immerse.
We were to go to the market, but due to unavoidable
Yeah.
circumstances.
So we're just gonna go to Immerse and go to the fruit stall, man. You see, you're gonna drive Miss Jam Tours.
Of course.
Miss Jam Tours love driving now because she's a driver. Driver, don't stop at all. Drop this Arizona run a Albemarle. Driver, don't even itch. Collect a little something there and come back quick. Driver, just remember the speed limit. If you're running the cops, my friend, that is it. I got an XL phone and a single chip. I found them at all a ton man a ship. Green like grass, brown like chocolate. FedEx and UPS I make several trip. Got me life saving I spend from this. Driver, Amish, don't stop at all. 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 Alright family, let's go with the flow. Yeah, family, so we're just heading out and Miss Jam Tours have Amish. You're gonna give me, right?
Yeah.
We'll close the door. Yeah, family, so let's go. Let's go to Immerse and to the fruit stall, man. To get some small fruits.
Rebecca, you didn't take the shopping bag?
Guy,
Amesh dropped it down. I told you
I
to.
thought you have it.
No, I told you to lift it.
Amish, what a go? What a go? What a go? You're looking at mommy there, right? What a go? My ugudu. My odogu. Amish, you are my ogodu. You know that? You are my ogodu. My ogodu. My ogodudu. My ogodudu. Yeah, family. So, we're actually waiting for Miss Jam Tours to come. She can pick the shopping bag. Just waiting for Miss Jam Tours. Amish. We're just waiting for Miss Jam Tours. Miss Jam Tours. Is Miss Jam Tours? You're looking for Miss Jam Tours? In my ogodu? My ogodu. My ogodu. What a go? What a go? What a go? Amish. Is my ogodu. My ogodu. My ogodu. Come pick a flower. Amish. Amish, look. Pick a flower. Pick a flower. Pick a flower, Amish. Pick a flower. Yeah, family, so Miss Jam Tours is coming. So Miss Jam Tours there is coming. So you have two shopping bags. B? You have two shopping bags. You carry the big one.
No, one is for the supermarket, the other one is for the fruits.
Okay.
Good separation because I just remembered we'll hire people.
Yeah, family, so Miss Jam Tours are gonna drive. Sun is blazing hot here in Kenya.
To enter the car,
So I should enter the car.
you don't want to enter?
I'll wait till you turn first.
Because you're clearing.
Yeah. Yeah, family, so we're actually in the car. And Miss Jam Tour is ready to drive.
Yes, my darling.
So we're just waiting for her to start up the car.
And we cruise.
Yeah.
See how you lifted the handbrake?
Okay.
Yeah, that now normally stress me.
This jam tour has been a pro now. So you wanna go on the main road today?
Hey,
Eh?
I never enter main road without
You don't have.
without my
You don't have.
without my driving license.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. See, I can go round.
Yes, you can. Amesh, you need to sleep in a boy.
Which way?
Kind of seat is so uncomfortable.
What's that? This person doesn't know. I don't know how to drive. And he'll be here, blood clot.
These
Stopping
job
for me.
tours.
He'll be here, blood clot. Did I greet my woman? No, she's not the one. You're comfortable now?
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry. Get out of the way. Or I hoot.
Yeah, family, let us know Miss Jam Tour is going to garbage truck is there to come on over in it.
Right? I'm good. Because if it had. Amesh? Sleep. Where's your water? Oh, we've taken it.
Guys, sweetie, you leave it there.
Okay, before
I never give it to you.
You've left it at the window.
Okay? Just go and it's not like it's spending a long time.
Oh, but I know you have it. You know, I know how.
No, see, okay, now I have it to you and I'll leave it there for you.
I know. I know how to do.
Or is you yeah.
For real, I don't have it because me, I went for the shopping.
But today I couldn't have the
For real, you don't have
the
it
bottle
in shop?
and have Immersion and plus the camera.
Okay. Then. Well, I went with the camera.
No, sweetie, so we went to the camera and moved the camera.
Because people like staying on people's lanes. Okay.
I mean, your mother is driving. Your mother is driving and she happy that she driving.
I've been driving Amish. Went to the thing. Going to the court.
I guess Miss Jam Tours get the hang of it driving in the community.
Yeah. I like how the steering normally return itself.
Yeah.
You don't have to kill yourself, don't you?
Power steering.
Sometimes. Especially at that point. I want to take my time and drive you guys.
Yeah, families, as you can see, the sun is very hot here in Kenya. It's a very hot day. Should be in Mombasa.
Now I can only imagine how in Mombasa it looks like.
Yeah.
It must be hot.
Amesh, you're just chilling.
Chill mode.
You're in
I'm
chill
not-
mode,
I'm
Amesh.
not stepping on anything.
Amesh, you're in chill mode. Chill mode.
Really?
Chill mode.
I'm just waiting to step on brake.
Mwah. Amesh. Yes. 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 Yes.
I'm not stepping on anything.
Once you drive up the car, man. Drive up the car.
When I drive, you tell me I'm overspeeding. When I don't step on anything, you feel I'm going slow.
very fast.
Mm.
Jam tour is gonna make it out through the gate.
Again. Again. Will I step on this?
Who's that? That's the rabbits.
Will I step on this? Did I just pass?
Yes.
Did I?
So no hiccup, confidently.
Yeah.
Yeah, families and Miss Jam Tours make it through without no problems. You see, because you actually go through it there by yourself already. It's more easier now,
It's very easy. And like when you know, when you're with someone, you'll feel like. Now you see how those trucks had been stopped there. That's how the motorbikes were yesterday. Hey, I told the guy, me, I'm just learning how to drive. I don't want to cause an accident right now. I don't even have a blood clot. Well, I didn't say all that. But I told him to kindly ask the people to like either enter or excuse me a little. Jesus.
Yeah, family, so continue watching the video while we go to the store. Just gonna pick a few things.
This man is waiting for me.
I just want to share this vlog with your family, so just to see the improvement of Miss Jam Tours every day.
He was waiting for me to pass because I was speeding. TX wants to follow me. But I'll go stagger.
This guy's a little close right
Matumba make you. Tumba.
Yes, Savage, you're sleepy. You're sleepy. Yes, yeah. Sweet, what you doing? What you doing? Try to race with the TX.
I'm not racing. The man, you know, by the time he was coming out there, I was here, he would have come out. Like this one, did he have to wait for me? Now he waited and then he comes following me so close. Really? I would have raced, just that I don't want to race. Let's do this guy. So
Yeah, family, so
Yeah, at
we
the
reach to the end of the road. So Miss Jam Tour going on? To
Where?
indicate I'm going down the road.
not flat.
You can't make it.
Let me stay.
The family Miss Jam Tour is scared to go on the main road.
It's not scared. B, why should I go?
Hey,
And it's not like I'm competent.
I'm competent.
I'm not competent. And then I cause accident. Is it worth it? Let me just train myself here. Now when I go to driving school to get my whatever, my license, it will be very easy now.
Yeah.
I'm sure even hitting the road won't be like, you know. But you
Yeah.
see, B, I don't know how to overtake, and then the cars here are speeding. Of course, they may be at a speed of like 60. Myself, the farthest I can do is 25. I've noticed,
Yeah.
and it's just inside the community.
Yeah.
So let me first learn my,
Yeah.
that small skills, because I
Yeah.
don't want to.
Alright, family, I'm gonna take over the wheels while we go to the shop, the
Please
store,
do.
or whatever.
You see how
it
cars
is.
have been driven there, and then you tell me to go on the road. I'll go
Yeah,
staggering.
Miss Jam Tours is scared to go on the road. I guess she can go on the
Nah,
road
I'm
with
not
her,
scared.
with her.
To be honest, I'm not scared, but I just don't want to like feel myself like I've nanured, and I
Yeah,
don't think
it's
I'm
good.
ready.
It's good to know that, to know yourself when you're not ready.
No, I'm
Other
not
people
ready.
that take boosting and maybe go on the road and
No,
cause an
no,
accident.
no. I'm sure
But
maybe I
you
can.
have to, you
but
can,
you
but
see-
you're not.
But you see the
You're not
point.
regularized.
I also number one. You see there are cars coming from my left, from my right, right?
Yeah.
So I need to. I normally note. You can see a car like it's not very far. You can easily enter. You get.
Yeah, yeah,
Now
yeah.
me, unless I wait for the whole road to clear, and which is impossible.
Yeah, family, so let's go. Yeah, family, so we stopped to get our fruits. Let me get a full one. I think it's cheaper here. Yeah, true. Last time I buy a watermelon from the thing, it was 50. How much for that one? 500. Guy? 500.
Vincent, unataja tu price. Nikutaja tu price. See for 50.
Yeah. Sweet, you see the banana right there? Good?
Nipe hii.
You have a bunch down there, you know. At the ground there. You see it? Look. You have a bunch at the ground down there. At the ground. At the ground, look.
How many bunches?
That ripe at the ground is for somebody?
Huh?
The bunch, banana.
This one or
This one.
this one?
Yeah, let me see it. Oh, you want that one, sweetie?
Huh? You can't tell this thing is yellow.
Okay, alright.
Even himself, Vincent.
Yeah, let me have that one then,
How many
Vincent.
bunches?
Nipe hiyo ya juu.
See, they want to get a few mangoes, right?
Yeah. I take one bunch.
Yeah, one bunch is fine. I guess we're going to the market, right? Amesh. It's sweating in there, it's so hot.
Can't put on a blood flat shirt. You need to be in a vest like a man.
Yeah, family, so we stop and get some fruits. You know, please like and share the video, comment on this video.
Moja tu.
It's just a daily vlog.
Take this.
Nipe apples. 2 for red, 2 for green.
2 for red, 2 for green.
2 red, 2 for green. Na hii hoho ya green.
Amesh.
When are we going to the market? Hiyo ya green mbili eh.
You don't juice those cucumbers,
Na
sweetie.
maembe how many?
Oh.
Ni mbichi.
See, we need to juice those cucumbers. You know, B?
Shida ni hii ni ya kutengenezea mtoto. Ni ya
You know,
immediate.
sweetie?
Oh. Yeah?
You need to juice those cucumbers.
Yeah. He's saying his nanios are very unripe.
What?
I don't know whether the
Mango?
mangoes,
But they look like they're ripe.
He's saying they're unripe. You know that's
So what
the.
you want to do?
Eh? I wonder if neighbor. Ni hayo tu kama una maembe. Na avocado?
Yeah, iko.
Yenye imeiva. Give me 2.
Half right.
Give me 2.
Mafuta.
Irodi.
Ni tamu.
Ni blue band.
Eh.
Ni how much?
Inakaa kama nyumba ndani.
Ni how much?
Nitakata moja alafu niseme.
Mo nipe 3. Sawa.
So itakuta
Neighbor yako kuna maembe imeiva? Juu ya mtoi.
sasa nipangalie.
Angalia. Na ningebeba kama ni ya kukaa lakini sasa ni ya kila asubuhi.
Kai. Hizi na zangu ni free. Kaa hii da.
Pole. Huku si have extra one.
Kuangalia.
Yeah, we should. We'll get the ripe one from that lady. Yeah, family, I hope you're enjoying this vlog. Like, share and comment. Let us know your thoughts on this vlog. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa. Any last word, Miss Jam Tours?
I wanted you to see that.
Eh?
Nipe tu 3. If you should have seen that man how he's washing the dishes from the kibanda. Can you see?
Yeah, I can see.
Just dipping the thing. Shika bag. Dipping the thing inside and removing.
Okay.
And don't forget their plastic. And you know plastic with germs.
Yeah. Amesh. Amesh.
Actually, the water for rinsing is that.
Yeah, family, like, share and comment on this video. Ankeru from Jam Tours. We are out. One love. God bless Jamaica.
Diada mbali.